The Busbar Rating Current Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine electrical busbar specifications and verify their current carrying capacity. Let's explore the input options. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate current rating from busbar dimensions. Calculate required width for target current. Calculate required thickness for target current. Calculate temperature rise at given current. Calculate rating for multiple parallel bars, or calculate short circuit current capability. I'm using calculate current rating from busbar dimensions. Choose your busbar material, copper high conductivity or aluminum standard grade. I'm selecting copper. Pick your mounting configuration, horizontal flatway, vertical edgewise, or enclosed cubicle. I'll use horizontal. Now for the numerical inputs, enter width in millimeters. I'm using 100. Input thickness in millimeters, that's 10. Set your ambient temperature in Celsius, 40 degrees. Specify max allowed temperature in Celsius, 85 degrees. After clicking Calculate Busbar Rating, here are our results. Cross-sectional area shows 1,000 square millimeters. Perimeter equals 220 millimeters. Current density reads 0.220 amps per square millimeter. The rated current is 220 amps. Temperature rise indicates 45 degrees Celsius. Operating temperature reaches 85 degrees Celsius. The status confirms busbar rated for continuous operation. This calculator streamlines busbar sizing for electrical distribution systems. Find the link in the description below.